Hey everyone, want to split your Amazon purchase into 4 payments? Today I'm going to show you how to pay using Zip on Amazon. Let's get started. First of all, add your items to the Amazon cart and proceed to checkout. Now open the Zip app, tap Pay with Zip and enter your purchase amount to create a Zip virtual cart. Next, go back to Amazon, tap Payment Method, then select Add a credit or debit card. Enter your Zip virtual card details, then tap Add this one-time card as your payment method. Make sure not to set it as your default payment method as Zip virtual cards are for one-time use, then place your order. And that's it. Enjoy flexible payments with Zip on Amazon. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.